And another thing, stop watching my page before I post what you're looking for and you have a stroke. Thank you.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and can't see. Pan on the screen. The dialect them active and misbehaving. So here I go. Let's just deal with Yanique and Dawg situation because yeah, he chose the chocolate one, my people. Can you believe that? After Yanique come out and say Dawg not like the chocolate one them, and that's who he's with. You know what I mean? And you know she crashed out again. You feel what I mean? Basically saying homegirl is scared because she can't even post up, you know, her husband and put him face. You know what I mean? No face, no case. But nevertheless, homegirl say, yo, stop stalking me page. Yeah, my people, one bag of things in the back and forth. You know, them IG story. We're not going to read them all out for you, but you can press pause and read it yourself. Because, why? I don't know really, I go on, you know, because something about 200,000 US dollars missing, you know. And they're trying to say Yanique TEEF up the money and all of this stuff. But she's saying she can't trust no ninja. This is my say, especially when she put out her all and they defend him when the world was against him. This is my say, you know, it's basically calling him a manipulator and all of this stuff because of him wrong. And when she reacts, she is made to look like, you know, the aggressor and him the bullying. This is my say, me not know what kind of tactics are going on over there, so, but we know say a bag of cheating are going on over there so between the two of them because we know say Yanique are like Florida mattress according to, you know, blam blam and all of these people, and you know say messages they get exposed with her cheating and things. I give man location and all of this stuff. Yeah, so you know Dawg and you know liar baby in that lamb truck and all of this stuff. The similar say, but yeah, things is not so nice for the married couple. Them just buy $1 million house and you can see money not bring happiness. You know what I mean? But we're just giving a quick update while go on for that to go on, you see me? Let's proceed. Now, people, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. Social media is talking and they're saying, oh, come, Akeem never invite his wife, Rosealee, to his mother's birthday party, and why the mother never invite her daughter-in-law to her birthday party. You see what I'm saying? This seems to be the norm with his families, the least at least. Because, you know, when Akeem did have his birthday party in Club Mecca, Rosealee wasn't invited and she didn't even get a piece of the birthday cake. This is my people, and this is why they said they are extra fake because, boy, them reach a Rosealee yard now to do them live. Yes, because they want to beg gifts from Rosealee followers because, you know, SUV are buying all of this good stuff. This is my say. But in my honest opinion, these people are not doing nothing wrong. This is my say, Rosealee knows what time it is and she wants to play the, you know what, so be it. This is my people. But me just giving a quick update while I go on for that to go on, you see me. Rosealee never get invited to, you know, the birthday party, but she invite them over her yard so, you know, our gifters can give them and things. Boy. Anyway, people, let's proceed to more serious business now. Because the Dali them is active and them a war, you know. You see my seminar and a war go on with Penny, Munchie, Milky and all of them. But boy, the thing brawl out in the street, you know. You see my see.
And I war go on right now. The girl in eye blue, the warrior girl in eye pink. Fashion and brunch and the party down and be a war. Guys war.
That's my auntie. I don't have your number.
Yeah, as I said, I be a madness I go on with Italy them, you know. And right now, Shamar and one next girl, Milky, is at odds because, you know, they must say Shamar TEEF up the thing, but Shamar says she ain't no TEEF, you know. So let's listen to what I go on from that to go on.
Finally coming to pick up my cars that I paid for from last week. Then we have to fix something on it. God is good. Make sure same fix it. So what is right to on my car? And I bought a BMW for my daughter. Thank God. I buy my 2 car them last Monday. Before you hear say people money my TEEF. Yeah, I use it and buy my car them. Wicked people, all wickedness to done. Eh? 2 car one time last Monday. A good thing the wicked woman did it. I'm a close friend. And sister I purchased my car them. before me get accused. Nothing ever hurt me so yet. This is mine?
Yes.
But something, yeah, it really hurt me. Story time, pen to book. When I listen to this, I call on my pastor. No, but yes. And my little girl, BMW, I went there. Yeah, 2 one time and I one go. Wickedness can't done. Imagine that if somebody, I just meet them, go above and beyond, big and small stuff, and they get accused of taking something that is not yours, taking something that you not even know if it did there. Even if you know it was there, taking somebody money and some crackhead behavior that, especially people where you go hard for, they're on the phone with them 24/8. You and them part together. Imagine stealing from somebody. Me don't even borrow, much less for thief people. I don't even borrow, much less for thief one girl money when it belongs to me. Some crackhead, dirty, nasty, ghetto behavior that. Some bum behavior that. All me ever do I help people. You know how much people me put on and know how much girl me help, including she. When nobody else not there for she and me there for the girls might. The dirty blood clot, rotten old water mouth girl when she talk, she spit up on you, me hate her. I call my pastor, me I pray God take that. Yeah. Like, oh, when you crazy, I walk and tell everybody because that can't run by my name. I never read I one girl yet for nothing what them have. Look how much things me have in my house. If me hungry and destitute, me not gonna sell them all. My bed me that sell and sleep on the ground, no blood clot. I say me never, I talk about it. I mean, when nobody come tell me about, oh, this is not like you. Me I follow it up. Me I follow it up because my conscience and heart clean. Me I follow it up, no blood clot. I don't want nobody tell me because I don't use nobody account. I don't use fake account. 2 accounts I use. And the last time I check it, name Shamar go get on and my email address I use. I don't use no girl own, so I don't want nobody come here. I go tell you no go run up and down a big dirty rat no old mama. Alright. That me I go blood clot tell you now. Where is he? I told him I have to go to the DNV. I told him he called me that I need to come get my cars. You guys need space.
He just went to the AutoZone. I'll be here.
And I rush me like me carry them ready. I said hurt me for the 0 blood clot, none not negative girl. It hurt me. When I tell you said hurt me, it hurt me. I never been accused of not like that in my life. Enough things them try spread, enough things them call for my name, and I never ever try clear it up. I mean not try clear up this. Cause who know me know what time it is. Me not thief. No time at all. A store me usually going on and them ensure bright no blood clot. Bright. The woman claim her money missing from the Tuesday night or Wednesday she call me. The person coach where you sleep on, you can't tell them say or even suggest say around there so it missing. Or probably not even did carry out nothing. Because you have to make sure your couch comfortable. I have someone to lay your head. I said that's why I don't want a girl tell me say them did like me and them follow me a long time. Because I was fans before I become haters, you know. Yeah, I was fans before I become hater. Because I used to follow me from Jamaica and admire me. So no, 8, 9, 10 when I tell you say. I don't want God, I don't know. 8, my arch enemy, 8. Never ever been accused of nothing like that in my life. Never ever think about the nothing for box brother out as somebody when I know a struggle. When I know them situation, when I know them hardship. When I know first and where them a go through. If I take from them, I don't want God kill me and take away my blessings. Yeah. I don't want God punish me for try box food out of people mouth or take something when it belongs to blood clot me. If I'm in a robber, I'm in a thief, how much people, how much money I hold in America, how much money I lose, how much people I there on have money when I have money, how much money coming in my account, thousands of dollars, I never take that yet. Never ever, you never take from what I know say need it more than me. Me need it, you know, but you needs it. Because my life hard like the ground when me walk on. I not pretend for no girl or for nobody, because I not do things for Instagram for likes and views and validation and praise. Like some of blood clot, uno go on and want everybody for like uno and a friend, every girl on the scene a name brand, or a friend, every crew on the things that are the hot crew, for make sure the liquor secure and space secure. Me don't want nobody like me. Me don't want to be famous. Me don't want to be popular. I want to have fortune and I want to be paid. Because the fame and popularity bring hate. Hate in our heart and I need to go wash off on the blood clot heart. Hate, you know. Yeah, me not do that. My likes and views not pay me. My services pay me. And if worse come to worse, me lock down that blood clot and go clock in somewhere because me have a 9 digits. I'm active in America. Yeah, me hate to know. A good thing, I purchased me and my little girl car. The man still not fix the front of my car, you know. I'm have to fix it because me not come off of this to this. And my little girl control amp on my BMW want to fix. That's why I take so long for come for them. I hate to know. I always have a saying, say familiarity invite disrespect. And that's why I did stop party. You say if I never in a party, I would mix and mingle with someone, you know. Would mix and mingle. I'm better than nobody, you know. Sometimes I know the liberty I take up. Who I take the liberty. I'm not talk about looks or what people have. Because me not have it. Me talk about the liberty I take where somebody will cry on your shoulder. Somebody where you show up and show out for them. Somebody where you show love like your family. Somebody where you show love like you know them for years. I accuse you. Me make sure tell them no girl can get nothing fat when me take. And if me is a person, me know somebody takes something and me can't get it by will or by force, me I go to precinct, no blood clot, 911, what's the emergency? Somebody stole my money. I would take it from there. Go to the precinct. Go and make a report. Lock me up. Me would take a lock up. Yeah, me would take a lock up because I know my heart and conscience clear, no blood clot. And me not play in America. Me not like uno. Yeah, me not like uno. Me not like some uno new blood clot. But yeah, me not like uno. Me not like some uno new blood clot. But other rat. Me not like uno. Yeah, some of them I really love. And if I'm a family them come through the border, I'm a friend them. I'm a meet some really nice people. But some of uno are crosses.
Big things are going on with the dolly. Them are people, as I told you in the beginning of the video, them active. So do the right thing if you haven't done so and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell there for you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.